It's more.
So good. Like facial stuff for Dollar Tree. Don't sleep on Dollar Tree, okay? Or should I say $1.25, $1.45, $1.50? Hey, my Bling Beauties. So I just realized since it's the beginning of the year, why not reintroduce who I am and what I'm all about and why I started creating and etc. If you are new to this channel, my name is Mar and I'm the owner and creator behind all the amazing, beautiful art. And see, that's what sets me different from anyone else because I create art. I'm creating stories. I'm not just putting things together just so because it looks pretty. A lot that goes behind the scenes and into every single project, order, you name it. For the last 12 years, I've been creating handmade luxury phone cases, keychains, bedazzling shoes, license plates, wine glasses. I can literally have a whole long list of the different things I've created. But let's be honest, it wasn't clear that this would even be my path. I went to school and I got my degree in criminal justice with a minor in psychology. Goal was to be a K-9 officer. Not only do I love giving back and helping people, I love animals. Really, when I used to be a little girl, I used to want to be a veterinarian. Girl ain't good at no math or no science, so it was hard, okay? Find something else. On Christmas Eve 2012, it's a day that my life literally changed. I lost my mom. Grief is so weird because your life can be in shambles. You have no idea what you're going to do, but everyone else is still moving and grooving. No one's world stopped. Life doesn't stop for nobody. I still had to graduate college and walk across that stage for my diploma. I'll admit that was one of the hardest things I ever did in my life because I felt like I had to mask how I felt and keep going even when I didn't want to. After I graduated, literally I came across, I was on eBay one day and I was like, oh my goodness, this is a cute phone case. By this time in 2014, this phone case was almost $50 if it was not $50. 2014. Bedazzled. It was cute. But let's be real. It wasn't Mars custom cases, okay? Must admit, 2026 and still people are trying to nickel and dime me. Knowing I do this full time, knowing I put in so many years. This just showed me that it doesn't matter what your prices are for real. There's always going to be people out here that's going to tell you your prices are too high. That's why it's so important to know your target audience, man. If I knew what I knew now back then, I think I'd probably be even further with my business. What I would do is I worked second shift and I would wake up and I would research. I would come home from work after like 12 a.m. and I would research. I would find vendors. I would figure out how to make and create phone cases with rhinestones to buy.
Oh, but why do we finger?
Because I wanted to see how thick it was. I already had something on. When there was times when I needed someone or I needed to ask a question, I really networked with people. I showed up for people. I supported people. And see, when you do that, a lot of times people just want to love on you back. So when you do have a question or anything I need help with, people are going to help you. I will never forget me making phone cases in my bed on floors and literally posting it on Facebook. My high school friend, I'll never forget seeing my post of my art and she said, oh my goodness, I love it. If you make me one, I will buy it. Literally 11 years later, I can't believe I'm still creating phone cases. Like, it's crazy. That's how much I charged her for that phone case. We only paid about like 15 to 20-ish dollars. Talk about starting from the bottom, now we here. See, I remember everything, and I think that's why I stand 10 toes down. Never make me feel bad of boundaries, my prices, my worth, choosing me. Never. Fast forward, I ended up relocating, and when I relocated, it was just like even more crazier because like life is still going, but I'm not sure what's going on, and I don't know what to do with my life. But at the same time, I know I have a talent. I used to work at this clothing store called Rainbow, and the boss I had, she just wasn't it. And I remember quitting, and I got on my knees the night I quit and I said to myself, God, if we can make this work with my business or whatever this talent is, please show me. The thing is, when you ask God, you better be prepared if something going to happen. It's going to be in your favor, whether it's going to be the exact way or God's way. I'm different about the change in your life. And that
So this is
happened.
the
I was a
bags that
part
came
of a
out for
group
the last
called
week.
Black
My
Girls
bowl is more
Craft on
donuts. Some
Facebook,
say
and I
my bowl
started
is more
posting
sprinkles, but
my
this is a
art.
free
And
Dunkin' bag
I want to say
that we
6 months
got
to a year
for
later, I
if
ended up getting
you
my LLC, up creating so many
I
phone
had to buy the
cases
donuts
for
myself. My
celebrities,
colleague was free
influencers,
as
and
they said
many
I got a $100
important
bill, but I
people
believe
in
it
the
was like
community. Let's just
buy
say
a
that. And it's so
coffee
wild
or a
because when you
drink
look on the
and get a free
outside,
donut, get a free
you
bag.
see,
So
oh, it's so
every
cute, and it's
donut
phone
purchase
cases, and it's
is a bag.
bling, and
And
it's
it's so
pretty, and it's
cute.
pink, and it's glitter, and it's all. Life be
And I
really
saw
throwing
those little lip
curveballs,
glosses in there.
especially
They might be like,
when
what
you
are
have
these
a
in the
business. When
bag
I tell
for?
y'all I've been through so much when it comes to owning a business that a lot of people do not talk about, I've been through, scammers. I've been through having to put a police report out on a customer. I've been through having to restart my Instagram page because I woke up one day and it was like literally gone, deleted. Deal with social medias deleting my art or like taking my pages away when I literally scroll and see other people creating similar things or the same themes. Losing friends, finding out who my real friends are. The most important things is really knowing my worth because there was so many times I really didn't know my worth. I would say it and then I would question it. Or I would say it and then I would beg a friend to support me. You know your worth. You don't bat an eye to anything lower value. Okay? You don't. See, for me, creating is more than just adding bling. It's about telling a story, yours and mine. Each case is handmade with love, attention to detail, and high quality rhinestones. I'm always talking about everyone else's story, but this year we're going to talk more about Maurice's story. The true reason why I keep going. Because at first I really wasn't for sure where I was going with this. Some days I'm still unsure. Just know I love creating things that bring smiles on people's faces because it's bigger than the bling.